The Afghan Afghani, a surprising performer in the currency market. In a surprising turn of events, the Afghan Afghani currency has emerged as the world's third best performing currency in the third quarter of 2023. This achievement is particularly noteworthy considering the dominance of the US dollar as the global reserve currency. However, it is important to analyze the situation with nuance and understand the underlying factors contributing to the Afghani's success. This video explores the performance of the Afghani, the economic policies implemented by the Taliban, and the challenges faced by Afghanistan in the aftermath of the US withdrawal. The Afghani's performance. The Afghani has experienced a remarkable 9% increase in value against the US dollar, propelling it to the top of the list of best-performing currencies. While this achievement is significant, it is crucial to note that the comparison is akin to Dogecoin outperforming Bitcoin temporarily. The Afghani's success can be attributed to the Taliban's strict economic policies, which include imposing currency controls and banning online trading in dollars. These measures have helped to stabilize the local currency and reduce its dependence on foreign currencies. The impact of deflation. One of the consequences of the Taliban's economic policies is deflation, with prices in Afghanistan experiencing a 9% annual decrease since the Taliban took over. While deflation can initially increase consumer purchasing power, it can also have negative effects on the economy. Moderate drops in prices can encourage spending and economic growth. However, rapid deflation can lead to economic instability, especially in a country burdened with debt. Afghanistan's prolonged deflation raises concerns about its future economic prospects. Foreign aid and economic challenges. Prior to the Taliban takeover, Afghanistan heavily relied on foreign aid, with 43% of its GDP and 75% of public spending financed through international assistance. However, following the Taliban's rise to power, the international community froze Afghan assets and suspended funding to prevent direct support for the Taliban. This has severely impacted Afghanistan's economy, leaving the Taliban with limited access to international reserves. The freezing of foreign assets has also made it difficult for ordinary Afghans to access their own funds. International aid and Taliban's actions. While the international community has withheld development funds and business investments, it has continued to provide humanitarian aid to Afghanistan. The US and the European Union have pledged significant amounts of aid, delivered in the form of goods and services, to support the Afghan people. However, the Taliban's actions, such as restricting women's rights and cracking down on freedom of speech and media, have strained relations with the international community and hindered the flow of aid. Conclusion. The Afghani's performance in the currency market is a result of the Taliban's economic policies, including currency controls and restrictions on online trading. However, the economic challenges faced by Afghanistan, such as deflation and the loss of foreign aid, paint a bleak picture for the country's future. The international community's decision to withhold development funds reflects concerns about the Taliban's actions and their impact on the Afghan people. The situation in Afghanistan remains complex, with the country heavily dependent on international aid to prevent a complete collapse of its economy. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.